Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ledger Live app. First, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device. Next, connect your Ledger hardware wallet to the app using a USB cable. You'll then set up your device by carefully following the on-screen instructions. This initial setup ensures your device is ready for secure transactions and managing your crypto assets. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. Once set up, you can easily add new cryptocurrency accounts to your Ledger Live portfolio. This allows you to manage different assets all in one place. You can then securely send and receive various crypto assets directly through the app, ensuring your private keys remain protected by your hardware device. Always double-check recipient addresses before confirming any transaction. The app also lets you check your transaction history and portfolio balance at any time, giving you a clear overview of your holdings. Ledger Live offers more than just basic management. You can explore features like staking to earn rewards or swapping assets directly within the app. It's crucial to regularly update your Ledger device firmware to ensure optimal security and access to the latest features. Always perform updates through the official Ledger Live application. Furthermore, learn how to properly back up your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your ultimate safeguard, allowing you to restore access to your funds if your device is lost or damaged. To further enhance your experience, utilize the Ledger Academy for in-depth guides and educational content, helping you understand more about cryptocurrency and security. You can also join the Ledger community forums for support and discussions with other users. It's a great place to get answers and share insights. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Remember, staying informed and connected is key to navigating the crypto world safely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.